Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, there was a Shoretrooper named Zet. Zet was a tall, shiny stormtrooper, but he loved the beach. Every night, he'd dream about the waves and the sand, missing his home planet. One night, Zet's dreams became more vivid. He dreamt he was walking on the beach, and a small creature approached him. It was a cute, fluffy creature with a long, curly tail. "Who are you?" asked Zet, startled. "I'm a Seasprout," replied the creature. "I live in the sea, but I often come to the shore to play." Zet was amazed. He had never met a Seasprout before. He asked the Seasprout many questions about the sea, and the Seasprout shared stories of its underwater world. The next day, Zet saw the Seasprout again at the shore. They became good friends, and every night, the Seasprout would visit Zet in his dreams, sharing more stories about the sea. One day, Zet had an idea. "Seasprout, can you teach me to swim?" he asked. "Of course, Zet. I'd be happy to help," said the Seasprout. So, every day, Zet practiced swimming, and with the Seasprout's help, he became a great swimmer. He even learned to dive and catch fish. One night, Zet dreamt of a mission. His fellow stormtroopers were in trouble, trapped in an underwater base. Zet knew he had to help them. With the Seasprout's help, Zet swam to the underwater base, found his friends, and rescued them. They were all grateful to Zet, and from that day on, Zet was no longer just a shoretrooper. He was a hero. From then on, Zet continued to patrol the shore during the day and explore the sea at night with his new friend, the Seasprout. They had many more adventures together, and Zet was happy, living his dream of being near the sea every day. And so, they lived, playing and enjoying their friendship, proving that even in the farthest galaxies, friendship knows no bounds. Good night, little ones, dream of your own adventures tonight. May they be filled with friendship and fun.